Today I'm trying nail transfer foil for the first time. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can see, yes, I'm about to do these nails. So I'm showing you some of the products that I'll be using, and we're getting right on into it. Yeah, you can see I started off with a little bit of difficulty with this clear because the room was way too warm. But you know what? We get through this set. So be patient with me. And while you're doing that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this with someone, okay? Share this with someone. Yes, give this video a thumbs up, and if you would like, leave me a comment at the end. So as you can see, I'm going straight on into these nails. Now these nails, I have glitter. We got some sparkle going on thanks to the glitter. I did encapsulate the glitter, so yes, I'm still practicing. And this happens to be a set I did in January. Yes, January 2025, depending on when you're watching this. But you know what? I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what happens when I try to use nail transfer foil for the first time. It is tricky, y'all. Y'all didn't tell me. Well, actually, you did tell me. Some of y'all videos I have watched, and it's tricky. So hopefully at some point I get a hang of it. You know, for what I was able to transfer over, I think I did okay. I think I did okay. I almost did not put this video on the channel, but I was like, you know what, hey, I'm a beginner at all this stuff. Somebody else may be in the same, level I am in or not. And some of y'all could give me some suggestions on what will help me be a success when using nail transfer foil in the future. So if you got any suggestions, let me know in the comments. And, other than that, I'm just going to let you guys watch. I'm going to cut on some music here. I'm using products from Saviland, Macart Pro. Let's see. I am using glitter I got from Amazon. The transfer foil, I think I got this in the Shein haul. And the nail transfer gel polish that I use, this is super old. It's almost like 2 years old. I haven't used it the whole time, and I think I got it from Temu. Yeah, that's how old it is, and that's how long I've been holding on to it before I actually got enough nerve to try it. So anyway, so this is what I did. This is, this was supposed to be like a Valentine's Day set, but a twist on the regular red sets and pink sets. I didn't want to do that. I want to do something different. I felt like I wanted to use the color bronze and a lime green, so I was like, you know what, I want to use these colors, but do I got any foil for that? And I actually did, so it worked out. I think everything looked like it was part of the same set, but of course each nail is different. And then I wanted to try the like the half hearts on 2 different nails, but I did a little twist on that. You know me, I mean, if you're used to my channel, I'm always doing something a little different. Why? Because I want to be. I like being a little different. I like being original. Call me original Olena or whatever. But I like doing things different. So yeah, you'll find if you like people who kind of mix it up a little bit different, using different color combinations on their nails, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, because that is me. Anyway, so I'm going to be quiet. I'm not going to keep talking like I told you guys. I will see you at the end.
Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted $1 million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind, and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. When I'm in it, I got you going, oh. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Ooh, oh. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? Laid up, we paid up and faded on top of it. Ain't really used to this, I ain't ever has. From the bare minimum, we doing lavish. I was down bad, really acted like I had it. You seen right through it, knew I was catting up. Still let me hit it till you cashed out, it adding up. Lately, been adding up. What you want, I'm activated. Way you looking at me with the minds, hella captivated. Know you had you a long day, you agitated. I can get you off no medication, have you elevated. Can't fix the world, but I bet I fix that attitude. Mood on Big 10 when I fall through, it's all you. Slide through the town by the lake shore. Used to ride tank to the last drop in the Acura. Really, I was down bad, I was acting up. Somehow you still ain't had enough, yeah. Ride for a real one, yeah. Slide on a real one. On my mama and God, you the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind, and I really can't ignore it. Little baby, you a 10. Wait a minute, I got you going. I can't even help it. I don't think I want to know that I've been on you. Tell me that you want it. Little baby, you a 10. Can I run it back again? What we doing? I've been on you long time, I'ma prove it. You let me ride tides and I always keep it fluid. And the thing going stupid, I be tripping if I lose it. I get you so high, have you jet lag. We can skip town, get your rest back. Vacating it out and blowing jetpack. Show me one more time, nothing you best at, yeah. One more time at you at sunrise. We can slide on Telegraph and do brunch time. I've been making ends meet. I've been running routes to catch it. Plays in the field deep. I just wanna build reach. Know I got you charged up. Just let that phone die. Pull up in the clutch like I'm Curry in the crunch time. I got something for you when the sun gets high. Drop that pen up in the black soda house and know you ride with a real one. Side with a real one. Oh my mama and God, you're the real thing. Can't even cap to me, know you feel something. Yeah, you wanted a million and you show it. What you want, is it really that important? You've been on my mind, and I really can't ignore it.
Want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 나의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I'm feeling up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. It's you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue, cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true, the finest of them is you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show, cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you want it more, doing night and day. Your body sway, and now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The finest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue, cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, you. My love, my love, my love. Oh, 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 oh. I need. Oh, 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 oh. Your love is all I need. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights have got me show. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights have got me show. My love, my love, my love. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights have got me show. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. 'Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights have got me show. My love, my love, my love.
You did that, yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette, no, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Well, let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? It was just a love bomb. Really wish you didn't push me away. I was willing to try long as it takes. I would never say we were a mistake, but fleeting romance doesn't a lifetime make. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, baby. Lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because it's Tuesday. Tell me where we went wrong. Started as fantasy, ended as enemies. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a love bomb. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe? If you miss me, just say that, babe. Love bomb. I don't deserve what you put me through, so you don't deserve one more chance. It's true, I still miss you, but I really miss that love bomb. Go back to how I want you. Hit me with that love bomb. Lay in each other's arms. Love me calling so strong. Send me so strong. It was just a love bomb. Love bomb. You don't care what you're doing to me. I've been down in the ruins so deep. All the games that you play, all the love you forsaken, you let it slip away. You don't care what you're doing to me. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Shed a tear for me, baby, if you dare. Maybe then it would show me that you care. Cause your words never match what you do, how you act, so I can't just take you back. You fool me once, never fool me twice. If you love me, you'll react. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Every setback, every mishap, every time you say you gon' change. Say you get it, you regret it, I forgive it, but you stay the same. You should cry an ocean for me, for the dumb shit and the damage you've done. Cause I've been crying oceans for weeks. Tried to fight it, but I'm drowning alone. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa. Sister, save me now. Save me now. Whoa.
Okay, roses, I actually like what I came up with. Isn't it different? Yes, it is. It is me. I don't think you'll see another set like this on YouTube. No, I think not. So anyway, let me know what you think. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Share this with someone. Turn on your notifications. And get ready for my next nail or hair video, okay? Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.